Came in with the style, with the flavor, with the $1 million attitude, smile for the haters, yeah. I've been making rounds, doing favors, I'm the man in the city, I've been feeling like the mayor, yeah.
Alright, we're gonna test out Red Wing, see if that one's fixed too. Right, left, down, up, right, left. Flaps, flaps, flaps. Throttle. Still pulling to the left. Let's have a safe flight and then get to the gym, go coach, get a workout.
Don't come outside if you're scared. On top, got stock, got bread. Whole time took the play. Don't quit, don't switch, no fades. Know what I came in for. Ain't changing my course, I can't. Ain't taking no shorts, I'm cut.
Oh, yeah.
Ain't leaving till everything head. Who you think you is? She said, boy, who believe in this? I don't see you on foreign whips. Don't know who you be leaving with. Last week my card could swipe. Last month they turn off all the lights. Last year I made a sacrifice, so I can't take no bad advice. I don't need you to understand. I don't need you to hold my hand. I don't need cosigns, cause the whole time had my own mind and my old lines to the current one. On my first number like I'm turning one. I might call you back from the burner one. The success story, I've been turning one.
Yeah, it's
might not look like it, but it's plenty action. Might change a whole nation if a key hanging like Janet Jackson. Never give up on reaching, long as I keep the passion. Never share dreams with sleepers, some things they can't imagine. Don't come outside if you're scared. On top, got stock, got bread. Whole time took the play. Don't quit, don't switch, no fades. Know what I came in for. Ain't changing my course, I can't. Ain't taking no shorts, I'm cut. Ain't leaving till everything head. You know the flavor, yeah, we back on this, huh? A massive shift, huh? And past the point you glad to get, huh? I stacked the chips, so many rings, I think my fist numb. To match the risk, huh? At Nipsey hustle, passive income. I paid my dues up, embrace my fate and lace my shoes up. The day she chews up, might be the day I change the rules up. I'm taxing extra for the time I spent surviving too much. Still call it Vouvet, but now I know we pouring Vouv up. The rose is Martini, Alright, cool,
I've got a small battery pack in there right now, so. That is how you land. Y'all. That's my bird. That right there, that's my bird. Look at all that damage and stuff. I've not replaced anything but the landing gear and props. That's it. Everything else is fresh from the, it's right like it, well, not like it came from the box, but it is from the box. Look at that, y'all. That came off a couple times. That's come off a couple times. I'm talking about split all the way through, dented in because we hit that. Like, y'all saw some of these videos. Like, this thing's been through it and it's still kicking ass. Y'all. This thing, the Pilatus, FMS knocked that one out the park. That's my review for almost a year. The Pilatus, that was my first plane over a meter, so I had UMXs other than that. Yo, this one, that's a bad mamma jamma. I did upgrade the ESC to 100 amp from Hobby Wing, Skywalker, and it's a 540 kV motor. It's not any faster really, unless you change the prop pitch. Then you're hitting 90s, 100s, no big deal, no problem. But it flies well. Y'all saw me banking and yanking and all that good stuff. It actually does that really well with that 6S system in it. You know what, like I said, I got stuff to go do. I gotta hit the gym, teach people how to box, and well, work on my skills. So I'll see y'all next time.